one, we have to talk about Bitcoin here because we are up about 2% in the last 24 hours. And we've kind of had a little bit of a rally, not necessarily a rally, but we went up a little bit since the last video. So we're now at 87K. So I'm going to talk about where I see this price going. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. But yeah, like I was saying, we went up a little bit since the last video, right? And then also the crypto fear greed index, as you can see here, is showing the fear at 16. So still in that fear area. So it's still fear. And I think 16 is actually extreme fear. So it's kind of, similar. It's kind of like the same thing. And then we also have the %R trend exhaustion down here. As you can see, it does look like it wants to take off right here, but it is possible for it to stop halfway and then come all the way down, right? That's always a possibility. Like, we can never rule that out, but we are trading inside of a symmetrical triangle right now, which could be a bearish or bullish sign. But since we came into it from a downtrend, that makes it a bearish symmetrical triangle. As you can see here, the bearish symmetrical triangle, since we came in it from the downtrend. So that's something that you should also keep in mind as well. But yeah, because it could end up breaking down from this position that it's at right now. We got some selling pressure here on the MACD, and then, like I mentioned, the %R trend exhaustion. So we really can't know what's going to happen right now. We just got to go through this pattern. So, if we break out to the upside, then it's bullish, obviously. Downside is bearish, obviously. All we have to do is wait for confirmation. It's very, very simple. So, just let it play out. Just let it play out. See if it breaks out to the upside or to the downside. But it should be the downside because, again, it's a bearish symmetrical triangle because it came in from a downtrend. But remember, these symmetrical triangles only have 54% win rates. So it's only a 54% win rate. This is the daily chart. You can kind of see the %R trend exhaustion pulling back just a little bit there on the daily chart. Some selling pressure coming in for the MACD here. And then on the weekly chart, when we come to the %R trend exhaustion, you can see we've kind of broken the structure here. So I'm expecting it to pull down a little bit more. It does look like it wants to kind of curve and then go back up, but we could get a false signal there and we could still continue to dump there. So be very careful. Be very careful. So it's hard to tell what's going to happen. Only thing you can do now is literally wait and just let this pattern go through. Wait for confirmation if you're going to make a trade. Just wait to see if it breaks out or if it breaks down. So yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. As always, I'll be back with another video.